In this video, I want to talk about how you can earn dividends on trading 212. Now, this is pretty simple, guys. To earn dividends, all you need to do is own a stock or anything that pays dividends. And then when they're paying out the dividends, you're going to get some of the dividends. So it's pretty simple. Coca-Cola is one that I know pay out dividends. And the way you can see it is simply open up any stock, scroll down, and look for dividend yield. So you can see here they have a 2.94% dividend yield, and you can check others if you want. I don't know if Amazon pays, they don't. Maybe Microsoft pay a little bit, and that's basically how you can check it. So if you wanted to earn dividends from Coca-Cola, all you had to do was buy some shares, and then when they're paying out their dividends, you're gonna get a share of that. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now keep in mind, the more shares you own, the higher you will get dividend. Now that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.